Alright, I'm about to go shovel right now. I just want to update you guys because I don't think there's a lot of work to do out, so I don't think I'm going to be able to make a video. But see you guys whatever next. I don't know when this is going up, but that is the blizzard situation here today. Oh my fuck! What the fuck is this? This shit, look, compared to my leg. Oh my god. Oh shit. Hold up, can I put my foot in here? It's like a winter wonderland. I do not want to go out here. You know how deep this is? Holy shit. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna... Oh, my foot. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna try and make it out there so I can talk to you guys. And I gotta close this door because it's getting all over the floor. Okay, wait, let me unlock this. Going in this blizzard, guys. For a video. Just see your chicken. Look at this shit. Yo, oh my god. Look at this shit, it's crazy. Oh my god. What the hell? My car. What the fuck? Look, he's stuck. This guy's stuck. This guy's stuck over there. He's like, help me, please. Damn, it is freezing. How my legs hurt. Like, I think I'm gonna get frostbite. That's my mom's car. You know how the fucking shit. Hold up, I'm trying to get a good shot of my mom's shit over there. Look at that. Look at that up there. Holy crap, I don't know what to do. Look, this man is stuck over there. I don't know what the fuck. Oh my god. Alright, my camera's getting wet. I'm out. Oh, shit. Fuck. It's so wet in here. Going back outside. Hold up. Holy crap. I wonder what would happen if I dropped my camera into the snow. I think it would survive. Look at this dude, he's stuck. Why would you? He's like, yeah, bro. There's another car stuck over there too. Crap. Look at how, bruh, that's a huge Nissan, and look at it. It's just covered in snow. My dad's car is covered in snow. My car. It's crazy. Look at him run. Look at him run. Run! Run, sir, run. Okay. But once I go out there right now, like, oh, shit, okay. But I'm gonna shovel my dad right now, so I think I'm just gonna do like a time lapse.
Bien, acá algo de mami también.
Let's go the other way. I'm going the other way. Bye. This is crazy weather. Yeah. Oh. Look.
I know.
Here too.
Aquí está en la mañana.
It's 10:37. Fucking freezing out here. It's the fucking apocalypse. Okay, so we basically made like a... You can walk, at least. That's the good thing. Oh, fuck. I think I just scratched my jacket. And I'm doing like right here. Right now. Doing this. My car is like... Where are you, car? Let's see if I can go in here. Oh god, there's ice all over the window. Can you look inside? see inside. Cool. I need to take off this big ass hill that. Look at the fucking. Oh god. Take off this big ass hill. Alright. Before I break this camera and I gotta get back to work. See you guys on the next video. Bye.
Hold up.